In today's digital age, you've likely heard about data breaches, cyberattacks, and privacy scandals. But have you ever wondered why, as a company, you should care about digital privacy? The question may seem obvious, but some people forget that digital privacy isn't just an issue for consumers. For businesses, it's a responsibility, an asset, and a strategic necessity. Let's delve into why. Firstly, the legal landscape. Not having a solid digital privacy strategy can lead to serious legal repercussions, including criminal, civil, and labor liabilities. In many jurisdictions, data privacy regulations come with hefty penalties for non-compliance. In the past few years, we've seen companies face millions in fines because they overlooked privacy regulations. It's not just about paying up, it's about upholding trust. Second is protecting business secrets. Your company's secrets are its treasure. Without proper privacy protocols, you're leaving the vault wide open. The disclosure of business secrets could give competitors an undue advantage and lead to loss of market share. Imagine your business strategy, financial plans, or product blueprints getting into the wrong hands. It's a nightmare scenario. Number 3. The heavy cost of non-compliance. Monetary penalties are a massive concern. Several international privacy laws like GDPR and CCPA can impose significant economic sanctions on companies that mishandle personal data. It's not just the direct fines, it's about the ripple effect. The loss of customer trust can result in decreasing sales, which affects the bottom line. 4. Impact on operations. Operational disruptions due to system failures or human errors in data management can be catastrophic. Downtime, loss of data, or incorrect data can hinder performance and service delivery. A single mistake can cause cascading failures. Robust digital privacy measures act as a preventive safety net. 5. The ever-present threat of cyberattacks. Cyber threats are evolving every day. Personal data, if left vulnerable, is an attractive target for hackers. A breach not only affects your company, but every individual whose data you hold. Investing in digital privacy is investing in security. The two are interlinked. It's not just good ethics, it's good business. Number 6. Reputation and trust. All the mentioned setbacks culminate in one overarching consequence: severe damage to your company's reputation, visibility, and credibility. In some cases, it could even jeopardize your company's very existence. Protecting digital privacy is a clear signal to your customers that you value and respect them. Digital privacy is not just a buzzword or a checkbox. It's a commitment to responsible business. In safeguarding it, you're protecting your company, your employees, and your customers. If you want to delve deeper into why you need to set up a good digital privacy policy, we recommend you to check our full in-depth article on our website, smowltech.net. At Smowltech, we develop a proctoring solution, Smowl, that uses machine learning and artificial intelligence to help businesses and educational institutions guarantee integrity and security under digital and online assessments. We hope this video helped you gain insight into digital privacy. If you liked it, please give us a like and share the video. See you in the next one.